Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, October 8th. Attention students, please donate gently used shoes to raise money for Safe Haven Recovery Engagement Center. Safe Haven receives 40 cents for every pound of shoes donated. Shoe collections may be brought to room 109, Mrs. Matheny's room, on service day. Her group will be helping prepare the shoes. Mrs. Matheny will be giving a $10 prize to the person who donates the most shoes to the project. See Mrs. Matheny for more information. Shoes can be donated until this Wednesday. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Jenny. This week we will be having dress-up days for volleyball sectional. Today is hat day, tomorrow is twin day, Wednesday is class colors. 7th grade is green, 8th grade is pink, freshmen are purple, sophomores are blue, juniors are white, and seniors are black, and teachers are gray. On Friday, varsity football defeated Mitchell and won PLAC. On Saturday, cross-country girls finished 6th at sectionals. The girls advancing to regionals are Hannah Albertson, Evie Kirby, Madison Cunningham, Elizabeth Workman, and Rachel Appleby. Tonight, JV football will be traveling to Mitchell starting at 6. Back to you, Joni.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.